Hey everybody, welcome. So the United States presidential election. I want to go over a few things today. So, I don't know if you're bummed out or happy. I'm kind of in the middle. It doesn't really matter to me. I've never really cared about a presidential election. And the prices of gold, prices of silver, even housing prices, apartment prices, everything's been dropping. Everything's been dropping since Trump got elected. So, I mean, how bad is that? It's just giving us an opportunity to invest in the things that we wanted to this year. And if it keeps continuing to drop, we keep continuing to invest. It gives us that chance that we missed out on. I know a lot of people, me included, missed out on a lot of opportunities to invest. Or I was dedicated to investing and ended up not investing the correct way. Either way, if you're like me, things haven't really been working out when it comes to investing like the way you wanted them to. But that being said, if things keep going the way they are and things keep dropping, maybe we might be seeing, a small crash. We might see a small recession, hopefully. Um, I'm honestly waiting for that. Um, a lot of people might be scared of that, but personally, if everything starts going down in price, you can reevaluate your life. Maybe get a cheaper apartment, refinance your house. I don't know. You can do a lot of things. There's a lot of advantages you can take when it comes to things dropping in price. You don't always have to see it as a bad thing. Um, Me, I purchased my first 3 ounces of silver um, yesterday. So I'm just gonna continue to keep stacking. Um, Over time, I know the price of silver will go up or it will hold its value. Either way, um, that and gold. I'm planning on buying a little bit of gold eventually. Gold is a little expensive. I could basically buy 3 ounces of silver, or I can buy 1 gram of gold. Um, I personally went for the silver because I just kind of wanted something as a kind of token to, well, my birthday's coming up, and I haven't really invested in a precious metal before. I don't even really think I've ever had silver or gold coins before, and if I did, I didn't know it, and I just ended up spending them like they were regular coins. Honestly, when I had bought my silver ounces, I kind of had some flashbacks of when I was a kid, kind of remembering taking my coins somewhere and spending them stupidly on something that didn't even matter. Anyway, um, this is the first time as an adult that I purchased my own metals. I want to buy gold next. I'm going to continue to buy silver as well. I'm going to be buying from $100 to $200 worth of silver every month or every other month. And then I'll just try to buy a little bit of gold whenever I can. Um, Personally, I think it's probably one of the best investments. A lot of people call it a store of value, but I see it as the same thing. When you're storing your value, you're investing in yourself. Um, because at the end of the day, inflation creates your wealth for you anyway. So since everything's inflating, well, what else will inflate? It's just like buying a house, or I would say buying a car, but usually cars devalue in price just because of the way they're made. So we're not going to talk about cars. But most things that you buy when it comes to assets, they go up in price over time. Houses, shoes, clothes, as long as it's in good shape. Um, Certain technologies, not phones, but certain technologies that people end up using on a daily basis, but they end up becoming abundant. I can't really think of one right now, but basically what I'm trying to get at is investing in metals, gold, silver, titanium, platinum, palladium, really anything. I mean, I was even thinking about buying some copper bars. Um, at the end of the day, they're going to go up in value because it's something that they're mining from the earth. And there's nothing really, I mean, there are a lot of abundant materials, but none of them are infinite, right? None of them are infinite. And if I'm investing for a couple years, I mean, I might be mad that I'm investing in silver for a couple years and nothing happens, right? But what if I invested in it for 100 years? I mean, I probably won't be here, but I might be able to pass it down to my generation after me, to kind of break that generational curse that some people call it, I guess. So what I'm trying to get at is invest your money, not in just any crypto like I did at one point, not just in any stock, not even in just any metal, you know. Make sure you invest in something that is going to go up over time consistently, that is guaranteed. And really the only things that I can guarantee are gold and silver. There are other metals, like I said, copper, platinum, other stuff like that. But if you look at the chart for gold, I mean, it's really done nothing but go up for the past 50 years. And then silver, it's had its fluctuation. It went up to like $50, and then it went to $5, and now it's back at $30. So basically it stays in the range of 5 to 30, right? But silver's a lot more volatile, so it's a little easier to sell, a little quicker to sell. Gold is something that you want to hold for a lot longer.